how much should you actually spend on a protein blender bottle? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Velomix 28-ounce shaker bottle. First up, we have the Velomix 2-pack 28-ounce protein shaker bottle. Priced at just $9.99, it caught my attention with its leak-proof guarantee and stackable design. If you want a reliable, budget-friendly shaker, this is worth a serious look. Here's what makes it stand out. The 100% leak-proof design means no more messy spills when you're on the go. This is huge if you're always in a rush, right? Plus, it's made from BPA-free plastic, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals while you fuel your workouts. With over 30,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. Its 28-ounce capacity is perfect for mixing protein shakes or pre-workout drinks, and it's easy to clean. Just a quick rinse, and you're ready for round 2. Now, some people complained about the plastic durability. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for workouts and not throwing it around, it holds up well. Just be cautious with it and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, affordable shaker. Skip this one if you're looking for something more premium, or if you plan to use it for hot liquids. For the price, it's a solid buy. Now, if that price point was a bit low for you, the next one might catch your eye. Product number 2. Blender Bottle Sport Flip Stainless Steel Shaker Bottle, priced at $19.97. The sleek stainless steel caught my attention, and if you're after a durable and stylish option, this is definitely worth your consideration. What's cool about this one is its double-wall vacuum insulation. This keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours, perfect for those long gym sessions or days out. The 24-ounce capacity is great for anyone who needs to mix larger quantities, and the included wire whisk ensures your shakes are smooth without lumps. Plus, it's spill-proof, which is crucial when you're in the middle of a workout. With over 10,000 sold recently, it's clear that others are loving it too. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit heavier than plastic alternatives, but honestly, that's a trade-off for the insulation and durability you're getting. If you don't mind a little extra weight, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you value durability and temperature control. Skip it if you want something lightweight or more budget-friendly. Overall, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a lighter design. Product number 3, Velomix 20-ounce shaker. Coming in at number 3 is the Velomix 2-pack 20-ounce protein shaker bottle, also priced at $9.99. I love that you get 2 in this pack. If you're looking for an affordable option that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. This bottle offers all the same features as its bigger sibling, like the leak-proof design and BPA-free construction. The 20-ounce capacity is still ideal for mixing protein shakes, and it has the same easy clean design that lets you spend more time enjoying your drink and less time scrubbing. With 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly popular among customers for everyday use. However, some folks mentioned that the smaller size means you might have to refill it more often if you're really active. But here's the thing, if you're doing short workouts or casual shakes, this size is actually pretty convenient to carry around. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, budget-friendly option. Skip it if you need a larger capacity for more intense workouts. For the price, you can't really go wrong with this pack. Now, if you want something a bit more stylish and upscale, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 4, Blender Bottle Classic V2 Plastic Shaker Bottle. Next up is the Blender Bottle Classic V2 Plastic Shaker Bottle, priced at a mere $7.49. This light pink beauty caught my eye because of its classic design and value. If you're after a reliable shaker that won't cost much, this is worth considering. This bottle features a patented mixing system with a stainless steel blender ball that ensures your shakes come out perfectly mixed. No lumps here. The wide mouth makes it easy to add all your ingredients, and it has leak-proof seals that mean no mess. With 7,000 sold in the last month, it's definitely a trusted choice in the fitness community. Some users have pointed out that the measurement markings only go to 14 ounces, which could be limiting, but I'll be real with you. It's still perfect for most protein shake needs, and you can easily refill if necessary. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective shaker that's easy on the wallet. skip it if you're looking for larger measurements or a more premium feel. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want something that mixes differently altogether, let's dive into our final product.
Product number 5, Yeti Yonder Gila Mix Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle, available for $25. This one stood out to me because of its unique mixing technology. If you're looking for a premium shaker that's built to last, this could be your match. This bottle uses patented Gila Mix technology to mix powders without a whisk, which I found genuinely surprising. Just shake it and you're good to go. It holds up to 27 ounces, but for optimal mixing, you should fill it to about 20 ounces. It's also 100% leak-proof, so you can toss it in your gym bag without worrying about spills. With 6,000 sold recently, it's clearly appealing to those who want something innovative. Now, some users mentioned that it feels a bit bulky for some, which can be a downside for those who prefer lightweight options. But honestly, the mixing efficiency and durability are worth it if you're serious about your protein shakes. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, efficient shaker. Skip this if you're looking for something compact or budget-friendly. Considering what you get, it's a great value for its quality.
So, to wrap it up, we have the Velomix 28-ounce and 20-ounce options for budget-friendly choices, the Blender Bottle Sport Flip and Classic V2 for those seeking quality and style, and the Yeti Yonder Gila Mix for a premium experience. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you and choose accordingly.